Hi everyone. So this is BlendJet, which is a very powerful portable blender. This is an American product which was not easily available before. Now it is easily available because they have started a website called blendjet.in. You can buy directly from them. You will get it within 1 week. So you can see I have added almonds, I have added cashew, milk, Bonvita, then I have added some sugar and chocos. It's a very powerful blender. You can see the result of the blending. Super fine blend. You can simply consume it. The same with all kinds of fruits and nuts. So if you look at Amazon and search for BlendJet, you will get several results which are looking similar to BlendJet. This is one example where you can see this plastic. This is very low quality, thin plastic, but this is almost glass-like. Look at the transparency difference. Even though they both look similar, this has a motor which is less powerful than that of BlendJet. The main highlight of BlendJet is this powerful motor with maximum RPM. And if you look inside, you can see the blades. They look almost similar, but look at one striking design difference. This knockoff, where the blade is placed exactly in the middle. Look inside the BlendJet. They have thoughtfully put the blade slightly off center. That makes a lot of difference. So that much thought has gone into designing this product, because BlendJet is the pioneer in the field of portable blenders. There's no doubt at all. Luckily we are having them in India now. Earlier we have to import it from US. We have to pay the customs duty and all. Now BlendJet is operating regionally in collaboration with the delivery. So when I placed the order for BlendJet, I got it within 1 week. So that's it. And the price is actually surprisingly, this is only 2,700, whereas this knockoff cost me close to 3,000 rupees. So that is the difference. This is having much better power, build quality and overall efficiency. So go for BlendJet. Another headache with any juicer or blender is cleaning. With BlendJet, cleaning is super easy. Just add a drop of liquid soap or prill and then press the blend button. That's it. That's very fast and easy. So you can see the packaging, you can see the contents if you are interested. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel.